Alright, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another Sunday fun day here. This is take 2. Apparently I had my camera on slow-mo the first time. Anyway, we've got all the bikes out here. We've got the 110 pit bike. We've got the PW 50 loaner bike for the kiddo. And we've got my 250F here. It's a beautiful, beautiful Michigan spring day here. Now this PW, just so everyone knows, this is not actually my PW. I bought one. It's being built. I don't have it yet. It's not done. But luckily, the guy building it has loaner bikes. At least for me. Maybe this isn't an everybody thing. I don't know. Anyway, shout out to Scott at ProFlow Racing. Check him out. Instagram at ProFlow Racing. So anyway, today on Sunday Fun Day. First one of 2021, by the way, here for the Moto for us anyway. I've been working. I've shot some stuff. I've got it lined up to bake. So now we're going to prep the bikes. We're going to prep the track. We're going to get ready here so we can ride. And so first thing we need air filter. We need gas. We need the seat put back on my bike. And we need chain loop. So I'm going to go ahead and do all that. And then we'll come back and we'll start putting some heat in some of these motors. Prepped and ready. Let's cold start the pit bike. Mind you, completely stock exhaust. This is so terrible. Dirt bike noises. Cold start time. That's better. So just got the first moto done, kind of like our warm-up moto. Felt really good for about the first 6 minutes of it, and I got really tight, which is nothing new. I've been feeling tight all year. We did like 10 minutes, just a smidge over 10 minutes, which is fine. That's what we want to do, is 10 minutes today. But I've also changed up the agenda a little bit today. I got up this morning at 6:45, 6:30, 6:45, something like that, and went and did a 3-mile run, which I have not been doing in the mornings. And in fact, on days where I am riding, I haven't been doing anything else but riding, so that changes the dynamics of everything a little bit. So overall, no big deal. We're going to take a break here. Like I said, we're going to get some food. I may even take a little nap here this afternoon and try to get to feeling a touch better. The track was in okay shape. We got a little bit of rain last night, which we haven't had. It's been super dry and dusty and just concrete now for the last 2 weeks. So there was at least a smidge of moisture in there, which was nice. So anyway, first session down. Hopefully the kid's going to ride her bike today too. I don't know. She said she was, and then she wasn't, and so I don't know. We'll see. We'll get some more action other than just me riding. All right, Key got the P-dub out, so let's go get some footage of her ripping. Sunday Funday. So Sunday Funday here. Mom likes the little PW. Mom, go rip the P-dub. Let's see this. She likes this better than the 110. It's very sad. Scared she'll fall off going in a circle.
Something just turned on in your shop, is that normal?
Yeah, it's the air compressor, it's okay. And that is what it looks like when a monkey humps a football. So it's now 3:55 in the afternoon. We're gonna ride our second and third moto here in pretty rapid succession, just to get that done. So, been kind of working, you know, Sunday Funday, basically. Not doing a whole lot. Anyway, time to get dressed. Second moto. Okay, just finished Moto 2, as you saw. A lot better. We did tighten up still. Not quite as early, about 7-8 minutes in that time. And it wasn't terrible. I still was doing pretty much everything. So, whoops, guess we can't do that. So yeah, so that was good. That was a good second moto. All right, now break, get some aminos in us, and then it's third moto.